Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about first derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to find first derivative f of x. We know that this is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we can transform into x to the power of negative 1.5. So if we do first derivative, we have like this. This is the formula of the power rule of derivative. So here is the formula in here. So because n equals to negative 1.5, that's why we put negative 1.5 colon here and here. And that's why we have this one. Now we simplify and we have like this. Now about f of number 4, f of number 1. So we put number 4 gone here, number 1 gone here. 4 minus 1 we have number 3. So this value in here we calculate. And we have negative number 7 over 24. Now we just find first derivative in here. So we put c gone here. And we have like this. So about this one we can write like this. So I will put c go to the right, this one go to the left. So we calculate this one and we have 36 over 7. Now we put the root for the both sides. So we calculate and we have 1.925 and we need to select A. This is the end. Thank you for watching.